Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to Fintellect, the place where we turn small steps into giant leaps. Today, we're tackling a question that's on everyone's mind. Can you really start investing with just $10? Spoiler alert, yes, you can. Whether you're a broke college student, a side hustler, or just someone who's curious about growing their money, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have the best actionable, real-world strategies to start building your wealth, even if you're starting with just a $10 bill. Oh, and stick around because I've got some hilarious investing fails and mind-blowing facts that'll make you go. Let's dive in. 1. Understand the power of compounding. Alright, let's start with the magic of compounding. Imagine this. You invest $10 today, and it grows by 10% in the first month and again by 10% in the following one. And so on. It becomes $31 after 1 year. Mind blown? Compounding is like planting a tiny seed that grows into a massive tree over time. The earlier you start, the better. But here's the kicker. You don't need thousands of dollars to benefit from it. Even 10 can snowball into something significant if you're patient. So, what's your take? Do you believe in the power of compounding? Drop a yes or no in the comments below. 2. Choose the right platform. Now, where do you even invest $10? Not all platforms allow small investments, but some are perfect for beginners. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Stash let you start with as little as $10. These platforms are user-friendly and great for dipping your toes into the investing pool. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that Robinhood was named after the steal from the rich, give to the poor concept? Ironically, it's now helping everyday people build wealth. What's your favorite investing app? Let me know in the comments. 3. Start with fractional shares. Here's a game changer, fractional shares. You don't need to buy a whole share of Amazon or Tesla, which can cost thousands. With fractional shares, you can own a piece of these companies for as little as $10. It's like buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. This way, you can diversify your portfolio even with a small amount. Pro tip: look for platforms that offer fractional shares with no fees. And speaking of pizza, if you could invest in any food company, which one would it be? Let's hear it in the comments. 4. Explore ETFs. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like a basket of stocks. They're perfect for beginners because they're diversified and often low cost. With $10, you can invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, giving you exposure to 500 companies at once. It's like getting a sampler platter at a restaurant. You get to try a bit of everything. Fun fact: the first ETF was launched in 1993. And now there are over 7,000 ETFs worldwide. Which ETF would you invest in? Share your thoughts below. 5. Micro-investing apps. Micro-investing apps are your best friend when starting with $10. Apps like Acorns round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests the 50 cents. Over time, these small amounts add up. It's like turning your loose change into a fortune. Did you know that the average person has about $90 in loose change lying around? How much do you think you have? Let's discuss in the comments. 6. Learn about index funds. Index funds are another great option for beginners. They're like ETFs, but are mutual funds that track a specific index, like the S&P 500. The best part? They're low cost and require minimal effort. With $10, you can start investing in an index fund and watch your money grow over time. Fun fact: Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, recommends index funds for most people. What's your favorite index fund? Let me know below. 7. Invest in yourself. Here's a curveball. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Use that $10 to buy a book on investing, like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Knowledge is the ultimate asset, and it compounds just like money. Did you know that Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading? What's the best book you've read on investing? Share your recommendations in the comments. 8. Start a side hustle. Investing $10 is great, but what if you could turn that $10 into $100? Use it to start a side hustle, like selling digital products or offering freelance services. Then, reinvest your earnings. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. Fun fact, the global gig economy is worth over $200 billion. What's your favorite side hustle? Let's brainstorm in the comments. 9. Use high-yield savings accounts. While not technically investing, a high-yield savings account can grow your money safely. With $10, you won't get rich overnight, but it's a great way to start building a financial cushion. Look for accounts with no fees and competitive interest rates. Did you know that the average savings account interest rate is less than 0.1%, but high-yield accounts offer up to 4%? Which bank do you trust with your savings? Let's discuss. 10. Try peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to invest small amounts in loans. You can start with $10 and earn interest as borrowers repay their loans. It's like being the bank. But remember, higher returns come with higher risks. Fun fact, the first P2P lending platform, Zopa, was launched in 2005. Would you try P2P lending? Let me know in the comments. 11. Invest in cryptocurrency. Crypto is risky but can be rewarding. With $10, you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Just remember, the crypto market is volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Fun fact, in 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, that's worth over 300 million. What's your take on crypto? Share your thoughts below. Join investment challenges. Some platforms offer investment challenges where you can start with $10 and learn as you go. It's a fun way to get hands-on experience without risking too much. Did you know that 90% of millionaires attribute their success to investing? Would you join an investment challenge? Let's hear it in the comments. 13. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account. Even $10 a month can add up over time. It's like setting your finances on autopilot. Fun fact, people who automate their savings are 3 times more likely to reach their financial goals. Do you automate your finances? Let's discuss. Learn about dividends. Some stocks pay dividends, which are like little bonuses for holding the stock. With $10, you can start investing in dividend-paying stocks and watch your money grow. Fun fact, the first dividend-paying stock was issued by the Dutch East India Company in 1602. What's your favorite dividend stock? Share below. 15. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. With $10, you can start building a diversified portfolio by investing in different asset classes. Fun fact, diversification reduces risk without sacrificing returns. What's your diversification strategy? Let's hear it. 16. Reinvest your earnings. Reinvesting your earnings accelerates growth. It's like rolling a snowball downhill. It gets bigger, faster. Fun fact, Albert Einstein called compounding the 8th wonder of the world. Do you reinvest your earnings? Let's discuss. 17. Stay informed. Keep learning about investing. Follow financial news, read blogs, and watch videos like this one. Knowledge is power. Fun fact, the stock market has returned an average of 10% annually since 1926. What's your go-to source for financial news? Share below. 18. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Be wary of scams promising huge returns. Real investing takes time and patience. Fun fact, the term Ponzi scheme comes from Charles Ponzi, who scammed investors in the 1920s. Have you ever encountered a scam? Let's hear your story. 19. Track your progress. Monitor your investments regularly. Use apps or spreadsheets to track your growth. Fun fact, People who track their finances are 2 times more likely to achieve their goals. Do you track your investments? Let's discuss. 20. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Even small, regular investments can lead to big results over time. Fun fact, if you invest $10 a month for 30 years at a 7% interest rate, you will have $11,000. Are you ready to stay consistent? Let's hear it. And there you have it. Most useful and practical ways to start investing with just $10. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that $10. Take that $10 and start building your future today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on leveling up your finances. Oh, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'll do with your $10? Until next time, keep investing in yourself and your future.